Wagwan people, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to do just a simple recipe, lollipop chicken drumsticks. So to lollipop the chicken, I am going to cut the bottom section where the cartilage, the tendons and all of them something there located. Now, as you can see, I'm pushing down the meat to get the lollipop shape. And then I am going to remove the bottom section. Just watch the video. I am removing the hangover skin and I am leaving the fats intact because I need the fats to render while the drumsticks in the oven baking to keep them moist. Then I'm going to wash with lime juice and rinse with water and then pat dry to remove the excess water or the excess moisture. The drumsticks are washed, pat dry and ready to be seasoned. I am not going to pour any oil onto them because, as I mentioned before, I leave the fats intact. So the fats on the drumsticks will render and keep them moist while in the oven baking. Yeah, man. So I season with salt, and if you will be following this recipe, you can use any spices that you want to use. However, I am using quite a few salt-free spices. I think all of them are salt-free except for the onion powder. I use onion powder as well because I think onion powder complements chicken. It really brings out the flavor in chicken. Yeah, man. So I am using salt-free spices, as I mentioned before, as well as black pepper and paprika. I am rubbing the spices onto the drumsticks and I am not wearing gloves. If you want, you can wear gloves. That's okay. So now I am wrapping the bones with a piece of foil paper to prevent the bones from burning and drying out as well. Because remember, I removed the skin and the other things that would have, moistened, keep the bones moist while baking in the oven. So now I wrap them with foil paper to keep them moist and to prevent them from burning. So now I'm gonna marinate the drumsticks for like maybe 15 minutes because I'm pressed for time. So I'm gonna bake the drumsticks into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. I put a container beneath the rock that I placed the drumsticks onto to collect the drippings from the drumsticks. Bake Lollipop chicken drumsticks. Very juicyful, very moist, very flavorful. Yeah man, very tasty. All of the good something them. You understand? Yeah man, that's it. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, click the post notification bell, and remember that on this channel there will be recipes and also news. Walk good.